Hey, Judge,
There
I
you
got
go.
on the phone right now.
Great.
Thanks.
I think so. No problem. We're just gonna, cool our heels till we're ready to go. But I went ahead and went live due to the fact that I know people do watch. So I didn't want them to think that we had forgotten it. It was from a trial yesterday. I have a list. That's good. Mhm. I am. It's really bad. Or what their problem is. So because I could hear her and I could see her. So
So when I ran upstairs, that new listing stuff. Tracy said, Erin was trying to call me, but she can't get into the laptop, so then when I called her, she said she didn't get logged in, so I don't know what she's using, no. I know, we have a little tablet that, Erin ended up using, taking last time, the laptop and the tablet that we have here in Municipal Court to look at the camera, so Erin has a personal laptop, so I don't know if she's using it for one time.
Okay, so can you hear me?
yes.
Okay, um, I've got
Um,
the streaming set up on the tablet, but I can't get into the computer to do anything or to look anybody up. And IT's working on it.
Well, hold on. Okay, so maybe the answer though, do you have a list of people, just a printed out list in front of you?
Nope. I have no idea who's coming in.
Okay, that's okay. if there, yeah, if there are people there who want to be seen, we can start there and just give us a name. While IT is working on whatever the problem is, we might be able to talk to a couple of people.
Well, they transferred me to Rod and Rod went to voicemail, so
And we're live, so we don't need to be, we don't need to give out too much of our behind the scenes, but thank you for letting me know. It does look like chat's working.
um
Are you getting chat from Melanie?
okay, well, I'm over here at Feed My Sheep on the Teen Court laptop.
Because I just asked her not to do that. So that's a good question. In a way, you can, because if you go to YouTube at the end of the deal, you can you can actually see how many people were there. But I turned off the interaction portion because people were writing me and asking me to comment, and I'm in court. I don't, that's not really gonna work. So it was too much to keep up with to add that. But right now it says, for example, there's one person watching, and that could very well just be me. Or it could be registering Aaron as a watching person. I've never had more than like 10 people at a time out there. And I don't know if some of them were defendants or not. I have had people comment that they have watched us after the fact at the recording. If you go to the Supreme Court to the OCA, all the courts are listed. Our links are there. And those of us who don't delete them immediately after, which you're allowed to do, but I don't. I've had people tell me, hey, I watched one of your videos, and they had some nice things to say about it. But I don't, to me it's public. I don't see a reason to not. I've never had anything happen on here that I was not okay with on reflection. So I try to make sure that nothing like that is happening. So I feel like I'm not suggesting that people who erase are doing anything wrong, because they're not. But for me, it just keeps it all above board, and I like that. I have wondered how long they'll keep them, but I don't think there's any requirement to keep them, you know. Every now and then I don't remember to turn the darn thing on and record it, but so there's that. But I'm gonna switch off my audio for a minute.
Okay, can you hear me? All right,
Yes.
we're good to go. Apparently, when you change your password, you have to also log on immediately to the laptop over here. Because I changed my password like yesterday. So that's what happened.
Okay.
And we have a young lady in talking with Ryan right now.
Do you know her name?
Yeah, I'll send it over in chat.
Okay.
What's your name?
Margaret Maldonado,
Date of birth, ma'am.
9/14/77. I don't actually have a case. I have it's a failure to appear for something.
Okay, but you've got two, let's see. Um, I'll get you to start filling out some paperwork, okay?
Okay.
Do you have an ID on you?
Yeah, and see, that's the thing. I renewed my driver's license. All I had
Uh-huh.
to do is the road test, and now they're saying I'm not eligible to renew my license, but I've already done that. Because I have, and I think it's from years ago, I completed. But they've already taken my ID card from me and gave me my the paper copy.
It's okay, it's all right.
And I was set to do my road test August 8th, but I don't know if I can do that now because I don't know what's going on. I was trying to pull it up on here, but it's taking forever.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Okay. And I've got my car now, but I can't drive it because I don't know what's going. I don't want to get, and I've completed, I want to say it was a paraphernalia ticket. But I've completed 13 months of a drug rehab. I've been sober 2 years next month.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. I'm on probation, paying those fees and 2 years left of that. It's like I'm working, so I need my car to go to work and everything, but I don't want to drive it and
Have problems.
yeah, get in even more trouble because I mean, they did renew my license, but now it's saying I'm not eligible, so. But I did get a letter in the mail right after I renewed it and said, if you've already renewed, not to worry about the letter, but now I don't know what's going on.
Gotcha. Well, you do have a couple outstanding cases with us. Well, we're gonna get those taken care of here.
Thank you so much. What are the
So you
cases? What are
have
they
you been in
for?
Bell County Jail anytime?
Like before I got arrested back I went to the program September 23. I want to say April of 23.
And you were in Bell County?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Cause I went to Adult and Teen Challenge, September 26, 23. And I graduated, last year,
Okay,
October.
so how you have two charges. One is possession of drug paraphernalia,
Okay.
and the other one is prohibited camping. How would you like,
They didn't tell me I had a ticket for that.
it's back in 22.
Yeah, they just told me to leave the property and that I was warned away from them.
I mean, if you want to plead not guilty to it, you can come over here. We get you over to speak with our prosecutor.
So,
That's not a
What
problem.
happens if I do not guilty?
Then we just let you go speak to the prosecutor. He's right across the hall.
Okay, what if I do guilty?
Then we will move forward. Either way, we're gonna move forward with your cases.
Okay,
But you can go over there and speak to him.
okay.
But we just need you to get a plea in first.
I would have went to jail for that, right?
I have no idea.
Okay, I don't know what to do on that one because,
Okay. And you will talk to him.
okay,
And then,
this one I did get caught with paraphernalia.
okay, so then it would be no contest or guilty. So no contest is you're not saying that you're not guilty, but you're not saying you're guilty either. You're just accepting the charge as it is.
So that's no contest?
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay, and then on both of these, I need you to sign and date down here for me.
and we're at, okay.
Or just sign it. I can date it for you.
Yeah, because I cannot afford $1,600 and
Well, I don't know anybody who can.
I'm paying 3,000 still to probation. Today is the 31st.
Yes, ma'am.
almost put 26.
That's going back a little bit.
Yeah. No, I meant 2026.
There's your license back. Go ahead and fill that out to the best that you
Okay.
can, okay?
Okay. I even just completed my drug offenders class.
Oh, wow,
Yes, ma'am. My
you are
probation.
on the right track.
Yes, ma'am. I think even my probation officers, Macy's like, nobody does this good like that. It depends on how bad they want sobriety. Mhm. I don't even know who to put as a reference. Um, complete address. I'll just put my friend Tiffany, because that's the only one I can think of right now. Probably make sure it's okay with her first. I don't need her getting mad at me like, why did you not tell me? Pretty bad. I do not know my employer's address, but I do have her phone number. I knew she was gonna ask that. What paperwork?
Oh,
Bless
excuse me.
you. But for
I'll be right back.
And then I sign down here under defend it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't grab this chair.
Oh, okay.
I don't have one for anyone.
You don't have any chairs in there?
It's mine.
Oh, my goodness.
Here you go.
Ooh,
You want to, didn't I? Oh, thank you so much.
thank you.
'Cause I have not eaten yet.
I was trying to, I haven't.
Thank you. You know, their farm, Elizabeth Farms.
Yes,
I live out there.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ms. Aldo, can I get you to step back out there? and
Absolutely.
Grab your taco and
Yeah,
I'll get you.
Put my ID up real quick.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. I'll get you right here in just a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ryan, we're ready.
Hey, you get down here? I know you didn't go talk to the attorney. I know you didn't. Morning, Judge.
We might be muted.
Hey, they give you all breakfast tacos? They sure did. They did? Ah, Marie, you did?
Good morning.
Good morning,
I'm Judge Person. Tell me your name, please.
Brittany Rodriguez.
Okay. Hi, Miss Rodriguez. I was looking at your file and I made a few determinations, and then I know that you were also meeting with Mr. Mattson regarding the expired motor vehicle registration.
Yes,
Let me hear from him first, and then I have a few questions for you.
okay,
So Judge, right now she's on a deferral that doesn't end until I think October. Maybe
Yes.
September. She has 9 hours of community service due by August 27th.
Yes.
And I was hoping the vehicle that she was driving isn't hers, and she said she no longer has access to it.
Got
So
it.
to reduce that to court costs and then add the balance of that to the existing deferral, which I think is 4 additional community service hours. And then possibly extend the deadline by a week or so to give her some more time to get the total of 13 hours turned in.
Okay. Hang on one second.
That's also period, but.
I have no trouble with that, but I do want to ask a couple of questions. Ma'am, I was just looking and I want to just check in with you. I was noticing that right now you don't have income coming in. Is that correct?
no, not at the moment, but
Okay.
have been trying, I'm supposed to meet with a home health care tomorrow to be taking care of one of my friend's mothers,
Oh, that's good.
and
Mm.
I still have the issue with not having an ID though, so
Yeah. Do we have a hold on the ID? Let me look.
no.
No, okay. Quick question. Check on that on the theft charges. No, that's done. So, okay. I have a question. Do you have children?
Yes,
Okay.
they're all of age.
Oh, okay, okay. And are you disabled in any way?
Um, legally, no.
Okay. Tell me what's going on otherwise.
I went to the MHMR appointment that was made for me when we had court last, and they determined PTSD, and she wanted me to do 2 more appointments. One I rescheduled, and then I got another one in September. And then she wanted to work towards getting my disability for the PTSD itself.
Okay. And another question I had is, getting around. How are you getting around? Because I think that you were saying you don't have access to the vehicle.
No, I'm walking or getting rides if I can.
Right. So getting to the community service, has that proven difficult?
It's the past couple of weeks, yes, it's been difficult because I've been in Troy.
Okay. So, oh, okay. So you are in Troy. You're not in Temple anymore?
No, not, well, I'm not, I can't physically be there yet, but that's where I've been helping till the home health care all goes through.
Okay, so at this time, I'm going to find that it is a hardship to do community service, and I'm going to waive the community service. So we're not going to do the reduction because we're just going to zero out the balance. Mr. Matson, do you have any objection to that approach?
I don't, Judge.
Okay, I think legally it's the right decision, and I will sign that. Okay, so yeah, I do have a hold on your driver's license from an older case, the license charge, the expired DL. And we're gonna go ahead and release that now too. That may take a few days to release. Your ID isn't on hold, but your license is, and I want to go ahead and do our part to remove that. Okay. So we're gonna take both of those steps, even though you're in a deferral. Okay. And the new charge is not going to be, it's not a moving violation, so I'm not using that as against you in any way. Okay. Um, so this will kind of clear everything up, okay?
Okay,
And actually, there'll be nothing else for you to do. You just, at the end of October, the other 2 cases will go ahead and be dismissed.
okay,
But I'm not gonna require that you do the community service.
okay.
Okay.
Just the 2 classes that were
Um,
there.
ooh, I don't know how you're gonna pay for the classes. What are the classes for? You have a
The,
driver's ed class, okay.
yeah,
Ooh, how are you paying for that?
well, I have part of the first class, which is the driver's ed, and then, the other one was $30, I believe, for the,
Yes. Mr. Matson, those were pursuant to the deferral agreements.
They were, Judge.
I mean, I don't know how she's gonna pay for those.
I agree. The main concern I had was just making sure that she has an opportunity to get her driver's license.
Yes, I agree. And really the biggest deal with the driver's license, she can pursue that without us being involved.
Mm.
Because there's a hold. And so I would like to release that hold and waive those classes and just hold to the stipulation that until October on the moving violation, that she not get any more convictions for moving violations during the deferral period.
I have no objection to that.
Okay. Let me make some notes. Ma'am, it's nothing negative, but I think people sign up to do these things with the best intentions.
Mhm.
It's just that then we get down the road and we can't always get them done. And I
Right.
don't think it's appropriate to create legal consequences for a financial situation where you're trying your hardest, but you just can't get out of that corner. And you're
Right.
gonna get there. I actually believe that you have a good plan and it sounds solid. But I think what we need to do as far as on our side is waive those conditions that are proving to be a hardship. Okay?
Okay.
Hardship isn't a reason to not be able to complete the order.
Right.
And Mr. Matheson and I tend to agree on this issue. We don't like to set people up to fail. So I'm waiving your class requirement. I'm releasing the Omni. Let me make that note. That can take a few weeks to clear.
Okay.
That's a hold that was on the license from, is that from the theft charge? It was on the theft charge and we're gonna go ahead and release it because I'll be able to close my file at the end of the day. So I think we're good. Okay. So as far as we're concerned, you've solved all the cases today. Okay. And then Aaron, Ms. Stotts may have some information. Aaron, do you have if Aaron has a license,
Yes.
reinstatement
She does
packet,
good.
that would be a good one for her to have. And that's where you can also check and make sure and see where our hold has dropped off.
Okay.
Because once the holds are dropped off, you can get your license. If you find that you can't get a license, that they continue to have like suspensions for different violations,
Mhm.
there's a way to then get an occupational license. And this is a way not to just get an ID, but to be able to lawfully drive. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a packet to walk yourself through the process of getting your license back. And what happens is if you just follow those steps, you'll either wind up with your original license or an occupational license to get you to a point where you can get a regular license.
Right.
Okay. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me at this time?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And do you have any questions for Mr. Matson or Ms. Stotts?
No.
Okay. They're gonna go ahead and if there's anything for you to do, I have everything I need and
Okay.
I'm good and you're free to go, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
We're all good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Keep going. You have a good plan.
I'm trying.
Yes, I see that. Yeah.
This is a nice one.
We need a bigger address.
That helped. I'm also hot. I've got too many long sleeves on it. So that coziness is making me tired.
And she does have, Jen Craig.
Okay.
So we can use that too.
Margaret Mullen.
Yes.
Paul Mullen.
So I'll just keep this one on. I'll take, we're gonna take that to this one. Yes, I like to get on, let's say people. And you.
Do you want me, Shantae, or?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
I know I got, they gave me a paper that wanted me to.
What's your date of birth, ma'am?
9/30/1982. Here you go.
Holmes?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you doing this morning?
I'm pissed
Why?
because this is a false allegation. He didn't even know. First of all, he thought I was asleep. Then the young
Oh.
girl that came
Good morning.
Morning, Judge.
Is this Ms. Maldonado?
Yes,
It is.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Sorry.
I want to let you know that I did receive your no contest plea on the drug possession charge, and I've accepted that plea and time served that underlying amount. So that case is completed and done.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. And Mr. Matheson, I know that the two of you were visiting regarding the other charge of the accusation of prohibited camping. Can you give me an update?
Judge, I actually did not know that she had entered a plea of no contest on the possession charge. My
Oh, okay,
plan walking in here was to defer that and dismiss the prohibited camping,
okay.
because I
I
know
will still do a deferral.
that would be great. That way a dismissal can be obtained on both.
That'd be fine.
Thank you
I
so
have
much.
no trouble with that. I will
Yeah.
sign the dismissal.
Ms.
And
Maldonado has already completed a drug awareness course. She showed me her
Okay.
certificate. She finished
Okay.
last week. So, Aaron, can you help her email that to Court Online Help?
Yeah, we'll get it.
And
We can put it in the file without it being a requirement. Since it's already done.
right,
Yeah. And so on the deferral, let's see, who's preparing the deferral? Are we preparing it over here or are y'all preparing it over there?
Get it.
we can get it, Judge.
Okay, so just have it be 90 days since payment is already completed. No course due, just no more offenses.
No, ma'am.
And when you sign it, they'll send it over, I'll sign it, and we'll get you a copy of that. Okay?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And then the prosecutor dismissal, can we do that over here? Okay, we'll do that prosecutorial dismissal here in the courtroom.
Thank you,
And
Judge.
we'll send that over as well.
Is this going to remove the Omni holds on her license?
We can, yes.
That would be great because I know she has a permit and she just needs to take the actual driving test to get her actual license.
Okay.
But she was told by DPS that because there are holds on it, she is not able to do that at this time.
My policy is always that if I can close the file at a certain point, like if I don't need the person anymore to close it for a balance due or a course or a record, then even if we're in a deferral, I'll go ahead and release the Omni hold.
Thank you so much.
Okay. All right, let's see. We should have all that cleaned up with paperwork here shortly. Just hold tight, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank y'all so much.
Of course.
Ms. Maldonado, before I just start working here with the clerk, do you have any questions for me before we complete everything?
No, ma'am, I appreciate everything.
I'm glad you're here. I'm glad we were able to resolve
Thank you.
things. Okay.
Thank
It
you.
really helps. I want a way for people to resolve things. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, I appreciate it so much.
And I know when you get into a situation like you're in, it's just hard to add this to the many things. So
Mhm.
we're glad there's an avenue for us over there through this program.
Yes, I love feeding my sheep.
Yeah, it's good. We're really blessed to have them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you. Just we're gonna do some signatures and then you'll be free to go.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we can rate his files.
Okay, Miss Maldonado, everything is coming back over to you and it is signed, okay? Okay. Right now, we're on mute, so
We're good, ma'am.
thank you. Is
Thank
there
you.
anyone waiting?
We have another lady in speaking with Ryan right now.
Okay, and we have the name? Thanks.
Yes, I sent it over.
Thank
Yes,
you, I've got it.
okay.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. I get it. Just a little nudge.
Busy morning.
Yes.
I was,
Which is good. I like it like that.
yeah, yeah.
I do.
'Cause we didn't get the signs until yesterday, so I wasn't sure how many
Oh, really?
people knew. Oh, just give her one. So rip out what's in here. Oh.
A copy. And they can just sign received by.
It's still on my back. It's still on my back. So. I'm not ready, but I should have been lawyer. Just to get the lawyer, but I forgot that, okay. No, that's a good choice.
Right.
We gotta do a hard labor work.
They are. Yeah, it's, we get it knocked out that fast. That's all. At the end of the deferral period.
My apologies. We were laughing
You're fine. You're just living life.
at completely something else. Good morning. How are
Good
you?
morning. How you doing?
I'm good, Miss Holmes. I'm Judge Person, and I do thank you for being here.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to check in with the prosecutor for a moment because I know that you both visited about the case that's pending. It's a single accusation from June 20th. And Mr. Matson, if you would, can you tell us where the state is on this matter?
Judge, we have an agreement to enter a deferral, and if my math is correct, the balance of this would equal 15 hours of community service.
Yes.
I would set a due date of 60 days from today. to com-
Okay.
And I believe Ms. Holmes is going to just do all those hours here at Feed My Sheep.
Okay.
I
That
explained
would
how
be
the
fine.
log process works and all that to her.
Okay. So yes, ma'am, it's a deferral, so it will run from today until 120 days from today. A no contest plea means that you're not pleading guilty or admitting the offense. It just means that it's a resolution, a way to resolve it. The 15 hours of community service is due in 60 days. And I don't think we'll have any trouble with this, but as long as there are no more offenses during this time and you get the hours turned in,
Mm-mm.
the case gets dismissed. Okay.
Y'all
Okay.
have no idea.
And so we'll get that ready and send it over for you to have a copy.
It's a charge that ain't even mine. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And there'll be one form for you to sign that just shows that you understand that the city of Temple is one of the providers on the community service list. You're not required to work with them, but if you did, they have a waiver process in place. But Feed My Ship is also on the list and
Okay, so
they're a good
I'm
provider.
sorry to cut you off. So I could
Yeah.
I could get my personal lawyer because I'm taking a charge that's not mine.
So
Okay.
you don't have to do this deferral.
Yes,
A
ma'am. I
deferral
understand
is
what you're saying.
wait, you're not going to hear the answer if you talk over me. It's just, it won't work. Especially with the Zoom stuff, it really cancels each other out. So I'm trying to answer the question that you asked. Okay. So right now, the question in the context that it's in, there's a deferral on the table that I thought there was an agreement about that just says the case would be dismissed in 120 days. And the only requirement is to do community service 15 hours. And, then the case is dismissed. To do that, it's a no contest plea. It doesn't, the term taking a charge doesn't mean the same thing maybe to me than you. It's not a legal term. If you plead no contest to an accusation, you're not admitting the offense. You're just saying I would move forward with an agreement. If you are not wanting to move forward with that agreement, then the alternative, since the state is not dismissing it right now, the alternative is to head to trial. And then at that point, if you wish to consult with an attorney, you consult with an attorney of your choosing, and we'll come on over to court and set that up, for the trial. So which way do you want to go? Do you want
I
to have
don't
a trial
I
or do
don't
you
need this
want
on
this
my
agreement?
background. I don't need this on my background.
Well, that's what he's offering to
Yeah.
take care of.
Yes, ma'am.
It doesn't happen if you don't agree to,
Yes, ma'am. It's signed.
the process.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. We will send that over and you'll sign it here in a moment.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will sign it as well. No additional things, just getting the 15 hours of community service turned in. You've got ample time to do that. You've got 60 days. So, we're gonna also send over a timesheet to use to keep track of your hours. Okay. So we'll get all that ready and get it over to you here in a quick moment. And once you have all your copies, Miss Stotts will let you know when you're free to go. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll get it done.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You'll need to stay handy. We've got things for you to sign.
She's still right here, Judge.
Great.
Is there anyone else we can call right now?
No.
If anyone else comes in, I'll wait for them.
Okay, Ms. Holmes,
Yes, ma'am.
you're all set.
Do I have to sign something?
Nope, you've already signed. So here's a copy of the deferral that the judge has signed. It's got the 15 hours due September 30th, okay? You're gonna do your hours here at Feed My Sheep?
I does it anyway. Sunrise, all that.
Yeah, right here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, well, now they got that big house over there too. It's,
Yes, sunrise.
yeah,
That's
Sunrise
why I
Center.
does that too.
Yeah. So, this is your timesheet. You got 15 hours. They know how to fill this all out, okay?
I have to fill, it's at the time, I'm sorry, I was calling my boss.
You're fine.
So these are where I've marked down the dates.
Yeah, the dates and times. They know how to fill this all out. You just bring them the paperwork, okay? Who's that cutie pie?
My grandson,
Oh my goodness.
my stepdaughter's son.
Oh my goodness. All right. So, if you get it done before then,
I will.
we will be here next month.
What
Okay.
do I turn these in? Do I just turn this in at Mr. Jeff or Casey?
You either, you can turn it in, we'll be back here, I think, on the 27th of next month, August 27th.
Okay.
You can turn it in then. Or September 30th, you can turn it in and we'll be right here.
It's my birthday. Are you actually
So we're gonna see you on your birthday.
Yeah, nobody knows. All right, thank you.
Okay,
Have a blessed day.
you too. But check back in with us if you're having problems with those, okay?
Oh, I know, that's why I don't hang around there. I know, they were standing in line, I'm like. She has to line up. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. We're gonna excuse me.
I ain't got this one.
So I wanna know if that's true because I like it. So y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Show you all the matter. God wants seven, God wants two. Excellent.
Whatever I can do to help. Ah.
That is no good. The point that about you say so, it's very. Take it to $20. It takes.
We always right. How about I hear you say what I feel?
It's gonna be better.
$100 sounds good.
Oh, yeah, then we might. Thank you. All right, thank you.
I'll pass it. Yeah. Experience. Okay, so I got a hold of someone that can help you tomorrow. His name is Richard, and I gave you your number, so feel free to. Okay. Yeah. They'll probably call him today, he's driving back from the weekend. They all come in? Yep. Oh, this is what it is on. Okay. Probably. Oh, that was very easy. Don't somebody else. Yeah. Saturday, they're full of. So that's it. No. I checked it on this for. Earlier. Right, yeah. Yeah. Right, yes. Well, there's a few there, and he's doing you talked to Kate about, they're doing a giveaway. Station. Let me see.
Oh, well,
They'll be in here and see. Anyway, that's a message. It's great about their games. I'm not first on yet. Um, I love when I volunteer and then I don't have to go. Right. I don't see that. So keep just a few and give them what's out there. They're down the street, they have free classes. Usually we have like, there's a counselor there and nothing like things. Oh.
Hey, this works, y'all.
You're better, that's better.
Well, thank you all so much.
How they bring back to our house. What do you tell me? I mean, normally we just say, there, that's not us. All right. Still in here, still have a house? Yeah, okay. All right. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, wait a minute. But is this lady's last name is different, right? She goes by Sue. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no. Yes, well, you have to trade it in. Oh, yeah, okay. The lady called me yesterday and said, while I was there, if I was interested in looking at big cars. And I said, no, I said, this is always paid for, and it has low mileage. I said, yeah, a couple of the times we got 40 miles per gallon. Why? They advertise 30, but my son wrote. They don't say you can use it or that. And then one day, they couldn't find it. And, that's how it's really- Why- And they were out of the- Right, yeah. But the service providers, I think, provide that. Well, yeah, I pumped in my car. I will restart. Oh, I'm putting the battery, check the battery, and it's still good. Yeah. So it said, well, check it out. Here's my warranty extension, not under your regular warranty. It's just like, oh, if this goes wrong, then we'll cover it. But they should really call it. So it's a no problem, but they know. It's a no problem. But they're not gonna tell you what's the problem until it right, this is involves the starter. And the wires go with the starter. So. I think I can turn that on. There's a button, it's like every time you start the car, you gotta press. I always do that, but. I got all. But. They found that out. They checked it out.
Does this lady look familiar to you?
That.
How old is she?
37?
There's a young girl that looks similar. I can't really see, let me get.
I know, it's kind of.
Not to me. Has she given an address?
No, she put this down.
Is she using our address?
Nope, didn't even use that.
No, okay. Oh, that's a better picture, gosh. Can't say for sure. We can look her up in our system and see if she's been here.
Yeah, Tamisha
Gilmore.
Hey, we don't look at charity preference, top left hand. Sort of. Oh, hold on, what? Make sure. Come back here and see if this is her.
She may have come in and applied for insurance.
Like today?
What today?
Did she come in today?
No, she was in my email for our status check. Let me look at my email again. What's the first name?
Tamisha, Tymesha.
So she's applied for.
Okay, Jabari.
Gilmore.
So she applied for it.
Did you say Tanisha?
Yeah.
She applied for our program in 2015, but nothing recent.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it just kind of died.
Danielle Mason.
Come on in.
Come on in.
Hello. Just.
So is it just to see if you have anything on your background?
Anything through municipal court. What's your date of birth, ma'am?
8/10/1972. Oh, just in the state of Texas, huh?
No, just in Temple.
Oh,
8/10/72.
1972. Yeah, I don't think I have anything.
You don't.
That's what I was about to say. Okay.
That's good though. But
Yes.
I'm glad you stopped by.
Thank you.
Check it out.
Have an awesome day.
You too.
You do great work.
Warm out there, isn't it? I think I need to go defrost my toes.
Your feet are cold?
That's my toes.
Yeah, we crank it down because of the door up there. It gets so warm up there.
Oh,
If
I'm
you
not
shut any
complaining.
of these doors, it's like.
I'm
cold.
not complaining.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry about that.
Shouldn't be. I did this morning, but